Ka kanhun jong ka Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team jong ka Indian Air Force. Menta ka Sngi kalapan Ïaki Liengsuiñ Ïapom ma Pung Umiam balawan ru bansaki da kispa angut ki pajba. Banyu I kasab bar ka jing tebet jong ki Shipai Ïaki Liengsuiñ Kari. Ka baderu sibanta ka jing rakhe ka Sngi Kyrpang jong ki kantay ni ka International Women's Day. Hakate ka Sngi ka jing pen Ïaki Liengsuiñ Ïapom ka Indian Air Force. Lawan ru bansaki da upagu Chauhan ulat ka jala. Ukonrat ke sangma menteri ramba ka jala. Rengkat ki he Shipai jong ki Indian Air Force. Lembah katega Sngi ki Shipai Suiñ jong Kari. Kilapan I la ka jong kasab ka Pong. Takabadrodor hasun menen ka ba itanat bat Shaibha jong ka Pung Umiam da ki Liengsuiñ balatip kum ka Cheetah helikopter Su-30 MKI Rafale bat Hawks balapan syobe iki babun ki paiba kamtam ka jingdroy udonut hasun menen kum ka jingle kemen ka Sngi Kyrpang jong ki Longkmie ki balado mentaru bungut bat ki Indian Air Force habakran akte ka Sngi na kliang umentri rangba ka jala ukonrat ke sangma ulapan pau ka jis ngukmen bat saki ka sin ka menekong dalak ki jong ki kmat I kasab jong ki Shipai Suiñ bat kane kapan I ka jing trim ka jong ki kabalong kajing sarong ikipay ba kari baro kaway balong kum kinoyada kari.
In all the paramilitary forces, all have now been taking extra effort to reach out to the youngsters and to the people in the northeast. Almost every single force has, and the commandant and their respective recruiting agencies have met me many times to express the same concerns which you have just mentioned, and asked us how we could ensure that more and more participation would be there. So there is a lot of effort now being made. In fact, many of the recruitments are even happening at the grassroots level, where they are reaching out to different districts, not just in, say, Shillong or in the capital or in the main towns, but trying to go deeper into the rural areas also. So there's a lot of concerted effort going on. Of course, there's a lot to be desired, but I'm sure that with the efforts that's being put in now, we will see more representation. And I do also encourage our youngsters to also move forward in this and serve the nation. It's a great opportunity, and I'm sure that in the coming days we will see, coming months, years, we will see more and more participation. There's always been, recruitment is not an easy process, so there are a lot of complications, but as I said, the genuine desire and the effort is there from all the forces to see that more and more representation is there from the Northeast. It was truly amazing. I have no other word but to express so much of happiness to see this air show today, and I really would like to take this opportunity to say how proud I am of our Air Force and all our pilots and all the officials in the Air Force. And today's show has really demonstrated the kind of capability and the kind of skill that our Air Force has. It is second to none. And therefore, it's a proud moment for every Indian. And on behalf of all the citizens of the state of Meghalaya, I would like to really express my thanks to them, and also to let them know that every citizen of this country is proud of them, and for the sacrifices that they make, and for the commitment that they have shown towards the people and towards the nation as a whole. And this is also a great moment for our youngsters to see the kind of, as I said, the capacity and the capability that our Air Force has, and a great opportunity to be motivated to serve the country in different positions. The Surya Kiran team today, what they showed and they performed was, as I said, completely mind-blowing. This is maybe one of the first times that I have actually sat through a live air show like this, and I was completely blown away. So really, congratulations to the entire team of the Surya Kiran that had given us a wonderful air show, and once again would like to thank the Eastern Air Command and all the officials who have organized this very, very wonderful program today. And I wish our pilots and all our Jawans and all our forces, armed forces, the very best.
Women's Day celebration that we have witnessed here, and in the Indian Armed Forces, the best part about this uniform is that once you wear it, then you are not seen as a woman or a man, you are just seen as a soldier. So this is the message that we also wish to pass on to the youth of the nation, that they should definitely get inspired and want to join the Indian Armed Forces and help us in serving our nations. And once again, wish you all a very happy Women's Day.
And wear the uniform. It is a commitment that you make to yourself that yes, for everything and anything, we are going to be serving the nation, no matter what and where. So it is not gender biased, it's totally gender neutral. So on this International Women's Day, as she rightly brought out, it is one of the historic and an amazing celebration wherein we have seen the power of the Indian Air Force, the power and the reach of the Indian Air Force in the Northeast, as well as the Nari Shakti on display.
You can see there are a lot of mountains, and normally when we perform a show, it is performed in area, or when we train in a normal area which is not so hilly. So when we come here, we have to do a first sortie, which is called a mapping sortie, wherein only 2 aircraft at a time come. They fly over this terrain and see the highest obstruction, and then they decide a profile. And you can see there are a lot of mountains in front on this side. So we have to change our axis of all the maneuvers so that the audience which is sitting out here can get the maximum out of the entire show. So it takes a lot of effort. By coming here, we come do a mapping sortie, then we do a practice sortie which happened a day before yesterday, and this is the final show. I hope you must have enjoyed the show and our efforts would have reached you. What happened over this lake was primarily planned to motivate the youth, and we are carrying out these displays in this display cycle, which is the 5th display cycle of our team in the Northeast. We started from Bagdogra, then Jorat, Chabua, then Itanagar, Tejpur, and now in Shillong. And this is the end of our display cycle. We will be going back to our base, where we'll be again training for the next cycle. And thanks to the entire crowd which came today to witness our show.